Okay, coming over and looking at the UK FTSE daily chart, this 2 may or may not be in it. This can all be a 4 in the UK FTSE, and we still drop down to that 7098.6 before we start this 3 up. And if I take you down the time frames, you can see it's just messy off the bottom. However, potentially I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. If we can make another high, let's just take that down to a 15-minute chart. So this is all a sideways 4, I think, with an A, B. If we can push on up to 73.45 or higher, that would at least give us 5 up off the recent low of 72.20 as a leading diagonal. So I do need to see another high in the FTSE. And if we take out 72.50 prior to making another high, then that's suggestive that the larger degree 2 is not yet in the UK FTSE. Okay, German DAX weekly chart 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm looking for the 3, 4, 5 in an ending diagonal to complete this up to at least just over 14,000 and preferably a little higher in the German DAX. And you see this 2 came very, very deep here. Tagged the 886, but we've pushed up reasonably strongly since. I'm looking for an A, B, C move up to 13,360 to 13,740 next for the 3 in the diagonal. And then if I come down to the hourly time frame off the 2, I've now got a completed diagonal up to the 123.6. We've got an ABC into today's low to the 38.2 retrace on the nose and have come up quite strongly from that. So if we can take out 12,185 tomorrow again and start to push up strongly, that would suggest that we've got the 1 in off the bottom of the A wave of that 3, the 2 in at a shallow 2 at the 38.2, and we're in the 3 of the A wave up to much higher in the German DAX next.